maybe some shopping after that. Woo!
We're not sure what we're making, but something, hopefully, a local Ethiopian delicacy.
Grace is super struggling.
This is the meal we made. We got rice, carrots, cabbage, spinach, injera, which is the local, like the authentic, traditional Ethiopian bread. And then they eat it with this in the middle, which is the shira, which is a chickpea sauce. And we sauteed everything.
Last morning in Lalibela, we're all packing up, getting ready to head to Addis Ababa, the capital, for our final couple nights here. From Addis Ababa, the capital of Ethiopia, and also our final stop on this trip. We just arrived at the Sheraton Hotel and we're gonna check out our room.
Welcome to our humble abode. We're living here with a TV. Yeah, some water.
Patio.
And we walk through this hallway. And there's the lovely bathroom, the second toilet, second urinal. There are actually two bathrooms which we missed at the entrance. So I shall take you to the shower. That does not shock you. And then we come over here to the bed. Okay, you see that? Yeah, it's a lovely bed. And then we're gonna come back in here. Okay. And we got actually a little patio. So welcome to our patio. This is our view, as you can see. But we missed one bathroom, so let me show you this. We got a little sink action with a little toilet. That's not a squatty potty. I hope you enjoyed this tour of our suite in Addis Ababa.
Last day in Ethiopia, and we're really just taking advantage of the hotel. We did last minute souvenir shopping this morning and now just headed to the pool to chill.
watch the sunset.
Oh my God.
And drink drinks at the bar.
If you didn't catch that, we're gonna go get drinks and watch the sunset before dinner.